AI tools are shaking up the game in video creation, but what about voiceovers? Ever wanted to sound like a pro without stepping into a studio? Try ElevenLabs, the AI voiceover tool that makes crafting natural, lifelike voices so easy, it feels like magic. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get started and take your audio game to the next level. Alright, to get started, you need an account. The quickest way to get on their website is to use our link in the description. It won't just save you time, but money too, because it's got the biggest ElevenLabs discount already applied. Or alternatively, you can scan this QR code on screen right now. Once you're there, you have to choose a plan. Yes, there is an option to sign up for a free one, but to be honest, it's mostly just for trying things out. You'll miss out on key features like AI voice cloning, and the free plan is limited to just 10 minutes of text-to-speech generation per month. So if you're looking to unlock the full potential of this platform, it's worth it to explore their paid plans. While most of their premium options may seem a bit pricey, the starter plan is quite affordable, but still provides access to most of the premium features. That said, 30,000 credits, which is roughly 30 minutes of audio, might still be too restrictive for some of you. In that case, consider the Creator plan, which more than triples the amount and adds higher quality audio. After picking the plan, sign up by creating an account using your email or logging in with a supported single sign-on service. After logging in, you'll go straight to the ElevenLabs dashboard. And if for some reason you aren't redirected to the dashboard, just click on this Go to App button. At first glance, the dashboard looks simple, clean, and designed for ease of use. At the top, you'll find several key options, including text-to-speech, projects, and voice isolator. However, for this tutorial, we're diving into the voices section first. Here, you'll find your AI voice generator, with a couple of options to use an existing voice or unleash your creativity by clicking Add a New Voice. Naturally, we're going to create something brand new. When you hit Add New Voice, the real fun begins. Start by typing in a prompt for what the voice should sound like. Let's see if a 70-year-old Australian with a deep voice can be generated. Next, type in text to get a preview or leave what's already there. Then just click on Generate Voice, and 3 samples will be created.
G'day, mate. Yeah, nah. You know, over the years, I've seen this country's landscape change.
From the outback to the bustling cities. I still enjoy a good barbie with my family, sharing tales of the old days.
There's nothing quite like the sound of waves crashing on our beautiful beaches.
Pick the one you like most and click on Select Voice. After that, you'll have to name your new voice and add labels if you want, like language, accent, and so on. Feeling fancy? If you're on one of the premium plans, you can upload a reference voice for the AI to emulate. Imagine cloning a unique voice print that feels just right for your project, but more on that later. Now that we have our preferred voice, let's test it out in text-to-speech. It's the very first option on the left side menu. Here you'll see a text box waiting for your input. Type in a sentence to test your voice. I'll write something simple like, "Welcome to the ElevenLabs tutorial." Once your text is ready, select a voice right here, click the Generate button, and in seconds, you'll hear your custom AI voice reading it aloud. Take a moment to play with the audio and appreciate its quality. Notice how lifelike and expressive it sounds? It's like a professional voice actor recorded it. If you're happy with the output, great, but what if you want to tweak it a bit? That's where customization comes in. ElevenLabs lets you fine-tune the voice to better suit your needs. Use the sliders to adjust the stability, similarity, and style exaggeration. To find out what those do exactly, just hover your mouse over them. For example, if you want the voice to sound more consistent between regenerations, increase stability. Once you've made your adjustments, click Generate again to hear the changes. Play the updated audio and compare it with the original. The difference can be dramatic, whether it's a smoother delivery, a more authoritative tone, or a touch of warmth. With these tools, you're in complete control, ensuring your voiceover matches your vision.
Welcome to the ElevenLabs tutorial. Consider subscribing. G'day, mate. I come from a land down under. Do you want some Vegemite?
Remember, if these settings are not enough, maybe you should think about generating a new voice with a different prompt and then try again. And that's all in this section. ElevenLabs Voice AI offers more than just a custom free AI voice generator. It's packed with advanced features to elevate your voiceover projects. One fantastic feature is multilingual support. ElevenLabs can bring your text to life in multiple languages, making it a versatile tool for global content creators. For instance, I'll take this text, switch to Spanish, and generate the audio. Listen as the AI seamlessly transitions to another language with natural fluency and expression.
Bienvenido al tutorial de ElevenLabs. Considera suscribirte.
This makes it perfect for creating multilingual content without needing separate voice actors. Another standout feature is ElevenLabs voice cloning, available with any of the premium plans. This allows you to upload a sample of someone's voice and let ElevenLabs replicate it with stunning accuracy. Imagine creating content with your unique voice or personalizing a project with a familiar tone. However, it is important to note, always get permission before using someone else's voice. Okay, once you're satisfied, you can export your audio in different file formats, ready to use in your projects. After generating the audio, you'll see a download or export button next to the playback controls. Click it to open the export menu. Next, you'll need to choose your file format. ElevenLabs typically allows you to download your audio in standard formats such as MP3 or WAV. MP3 is ideal for web-based projects, presentations, or anywhere file size matters, as it's compressed and lightweight. WAV is a higher quality, uncompressed format that's perfect for professional video editing, broadcasting, or any project where sound quality is paramount. To download the file, select your desired format, and it will begin immediately. The file will be saved to your device, ready for use in your projects. So that covers my ElevenLabs tutorial. Overall, this AI tool can be a game changer for anyone looking to create high-quality voiceovers quickly. To be honest, ElevenLabs professional voice cloning is hard to top. Its flexibility, multilingual support, and customization options make it an invaluable tool for creators, marketers, or anyone needing polished lifelike audio. However, while it's undeniably powerful, the cost of accessing all the features might be a consideration for some users. If you're curious about how ElevenLabs AI compares to other tools like Synthesia or Murph AI, be sure to check out our next video, ElevenLabs versus Synthesia versus Murph AI, to see which platform fits your needs best. And don't forget to reduce ElevenLabs pricing. You can use my discount link from the description. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.